Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of DOT, AVAX, Link, MATIC and TRX. Before starting the technical analysis, it is a friendly reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin the technical analysis. I have opened the chart of DOT against the USDC on a 1 day time frame. If we look at the trend of dot, it is currently moving in its downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this descending triangle formation at 6.034 in this candle. After that it exposed the final target of around 3.670. And if you look at the wick of this candle that was made on 3rd Feb 2025, it has almost achieved its final target. Currently, the prices are consolidating at 5.098. If you have bought this coin and you want to exit from this coin can give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point will be 5.702. And as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our strategy will be sell on strength, and that strength level will be 5.702. The next coin is AVAX. So if we look at the AVAX against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in its downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this flag formation at 36 in this candle on 13 January. After that it exposed the final target of 22.4. That was the strong support of AVAX on 1 day time frame. And if you look at the wick of this candle, this target has already been achieved. Currently prices are consolidating at 25.21. and if you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you want to exit from it, it can give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point will be 30. And as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be sell on strength, and that strength level is also 30. The next coin is Link. If we look at the Link, it is currently consolidating in a falling channel formation where it has support of a 13.80. That is the support of this channel formation, and it has the resistance of a 23.77. That is the trend line resistance of this channel formation. Currently prices are consolidating at a 17.65. If you want to go for buying this coin, that is Link, then you need to make sure that you get its prices closer to this support trend line support, that is around 13.80. If you get its prices at 13.80, you can go for buying into this coin, and you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below the support of below the trend line support of this channel formation. And after that your first target will be around 19.40, and your final target will be around 23.75. Friends, I am discussing these coins on 1 day time frame. If you want to get alerts on a smaller time frame like a 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, for that you can join my Facebook and Telegram groups. Their links are given in the video description. So the next coin is MATIC, Polygon MATIC. So if we look at the trend of MATIC against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is in its downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this arc formation at 0.4133 in this candle. After that it exposed the final target of 0.2864. That was the strong support according to this support level. And if you look at the wick of this candle has already achieved its final target. Currently prices are consolidating just above its final target, that is 0.2975 level. So if you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck in this coin and you want to get exit from this coin can give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is a 0.3761. You can exit from this coin at this level. And as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our main strategy will be sell on strength. So that strength level is also 0.3761. The next coin is the TRX, TRON. So if we look at the TRON against the USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is consolidating within a falling channel formation where it has the resistance of 0.2520 and it has support of 0.1978. Currently prices are very close to the resistance, that is 0.2520. If you have bought this coin on a lower rates like 0.2066 and below this level, then you can definitely go for profit booking into this coin, that is TRON, around 0.2520. And if it gives the breakout above this level, that is 0.2520, then again you can go for buying into this coin, and after that it can easily go up to 0.3044, and you can again expect a profit of 20% in this coin. But if it failed to give breakout above this level, that is 0.2520, then its prices can again come towards its support level, support of this channel formation, that is around 0.1978. And you can simply and in that scenario you can go for selling or short selling at the level of 0.2520. If it fails to above, if it fails to give closing above 0.2520, you can simply go for selling or short selling at this level, and then your first level target will be around 0.2255, and your final target will be around the support of this channel formation, that is 0.1978. So that's all for now. See you in next video.